Hello dear art enthusiast. Today, we're going to work on a drawing of Matt LeBlanc, who you probably know as Joey Tribbiani from Friends. While we add details to this drawing, I'll share his inspiring story about overcoming dyslexia. This is close to my heart because my son has dyslexia too, and I believe stories like Matt's can really motivate and inspire us. I've already got a sketch of Matt that I'm satisfied with. I accidentally started shading without recording. Sorry about that. Don't worry, he's got two eyes, so we'll get to shade the second one together. Now let's dive into the materials and techniques I used to get here. Pencils from 2H for light sketches to 1,4B matte for darker shades. Graphite powder to go faster on certain areas. A kneaded eraser to lighten areas without damaging the paper. Good quality drawing paper with a bit of texture. Instead of blending stumps, I always use brushes, same as my makeup brushes, to smooth out the pencil strokes for a more polished look, to keep the pencils fine-tuned for detailed work. Now let's start adding some depth and detail to our sketch, beginning with the eyes. To add depth, start shading lightly and build up the darkness gradually. I began with the eyes because they are the focal point of any portrait. Use your darkest pencils to make the eyes stand out and add a touch of light to create a realistic sparkle. While we work on the eyes, let's dive into Matt's story. Matt LeBlanc grew up in Newton, Massachusetts, in a working-class family. From a young age, he struggled with dyslexia. Reading scripts and memorizing lines was a huge challenge for him because letters and words seemed to dance around on the page. Despite his struggles, Matt found ways to cope. He relied heavily on auditory learning, listening to his lines over and over again until they stuck. His determination and adaptability were key to his success. Here's the graphite powder I use and how I use it. It saves me time and helps me achieve a smooth overall shading. Now, while I'm shading, imagine Matt having to memorize pages of dialogue for Friends during 10 seasons while dealing with dyslexia and during All High's acting career. Matt's portrayal of Joey Tribbiani is loved by millions. Joey is known for his charm, humor, and sometimes not-so-bright moments. Matt's real-life struggle with dyslexia added depth to his character. While Joey's quirks are played for laughs, Matt's dedication to overcoming his reading challenges is truly inspiring. Dyslexia doesn't have to be a roadblock to success. Many careers are suited for people with dyslexia, where their unique strengths can shine. Here are some great options. Creative fields. Acting, like Matt LeBlanc, is a fantastic career where dyslexia can be managed with practice and dedication. Other creative fields include art, music, and design. Entrepreneurship. Many successful entrepreneurs have dyslexia. Their out-of-the-box thinking and problem-solving skills can lead to innovative businesses, technical skills. Careers in trades like carpentry, plumbing, or mechanics rely more on hands-on skills than on reading and writing. Technology. Fields like software development and IT can be great for people with dyslexia, especially with the use of assistive technologies. Science and medicine. Many scientists and doctors have dyslexia. Their attention to detail and ability to see the big picture are invaluable in these fields. Now watch out for the ears. Well, the ear, in this present case, only one shows. The ear can be tricky, so take your time to get the shapes right. Use your eraser to create highlights that give it a three-dimensional appearance. Hair requires patience. Use light, feathery strokes to build up layers and texture, and a brush to smooth out the strokes. Now, back to dyslexia. Remember, there are many strategies and tools that can help people with dyslexia succeed. Audiobooks and speech-to-text software, these tools can help with reading and writing by allowing individuals to listen to content and dictate their thoughts. Multisensory learning, engaging multiple senses, like hearing and seeing, can make learning easier. Practice and patience, like Matt LeBlanc, developing a strong work ethic and practicing consistently can make a big difference. Support networks, having a supportive network of friends, family, and educators can provide encouragement and practical help. Organizational tools, using planners, apps, and other organizational tools can help manage tasks and stay on track. For those of you with dyslexia or who know someone with dyslexia, remember Matt LeBlanc's story. Despite the challenges, he pursued his dream, worked hard, and became a beloved actor. Dyslexia didn't stop him, and it doesn't have to stop you either. With the right strategies and support, you can achieve great things. With the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and lips done, let's move to shading the face. Use light strokes and gradually build up the shading. Pay attention to the light source and make sure your shadows and highlights are consistent. Use your eraser to create highlights on the nose, cheeks, and lips. As I finish up this sketch of Matt LeBlanc, I hope his story has inspired you as much as it has inspired me. Remember, dyslexia is just one part of who you are. It doesn't define you or limit your potential. Whether you're aiming to be an actor, an artist, an entrepreneur, or anything else, you can achieve your dreams with determination and creativity. If you've enjoyed this video so far, remember the best way to support a channel is by hitting that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments if there are any other celebrities you'd like me to draw and share their stories. Now for the final result. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard just like Matt.